Here we will see working with Pandas. First we'll see installation of Pandas. Before installing Pandas locally, you have to ensure that you have installed Python. You can install Pandas with several different package manager tools such as pip or Anaconda. To install the Pandas with pip, enter the following command into the terminal application: pip install pandas. After the pandas have been installed into the system, you need to import the library. For this, use import pandas as pd. Here pd is referred as an alias to the pandas. However, it is not necessary to import the library using the alias. It just helps in writing less amount of code every time a method or property is called. Pandas is an open source library that uses for working with relational or labeled data. It provides various data structures and operations for manipulating numerical data and time series. Using pandas, we can perform more steps in the processing and analysis of data, that is load, prepare, manipulate, model and analyze using its powerful data structure. Pandas is divided into 3 data structures according to the dimension of the array. First is series, which is a one-dimensional array-like structure with homogeneous data. The values of the series are mutable, that is, we can change any value in the series, but the size of the series is immutable, that is, we cannot change the size of the series. Second is data frame. It is a two-dimensional array with heterogeneous data. A data frame size is mutable and the data is also mutable. And third is panel, which is a three-dimensional data structure with heterogeneous data. In panel, data and size are mutable. Series and data frames are the most widely used data structures based on the usage and problem solving sets in the data science. If we see it in terms of spreadsheet, then series is a single column of Excel sheet, data frame is a Excel sheet itself which have rows and columns, and panel will look like a group of sheets which can have multiple data frames. The difference among series, data frame and panels are: series is a one-dimensional classified array which represents statistics along a single axis. Data frame is a two-dimensional record structure which organizes records into rows and columns. And panel is a three-dimensional information structure which gives indexing information along 3 axes, that is items, major axis and minor axis. Series holds homogeneous data, that is, each factor within the series is identical data kind. Data frame keeps heterogeneous statistics which permits special columns for record types and provides flexibility in data representation. Panel also holds heterogeneous statistics which permits special layers to have information sorts. In series, each statistic detail is associated with an index label. Data frame includes more than one column and every column is a series with a column index, with a common index. And a panel includes stacked data frames in which every layer represents a data frame with its personal column and row labels. In series, elements may be accessed through their classified index for getting information retrieval and manipulation. In data frame, elements are accessed using both rows and column labels, which makes it easy to filter, select and manipulate records. And with panels, elements are accessed using multi-indexing. It uses 3 stages of index labels, that is items, major axis and minor axis. And the series is exceptionally appropriate for representing time collection facts, sensor reading and data sets with statistics columns. Data frame is extensively used for dealing with established data sets consisting of statistics from CSV documents, SQL tables, Excel sheets, in which statistics are prepared into rows and columns. And the panel information shape is designed to handle multi-dimensional records, making it useful for complicating packages with multiple dimensions of facts and organizations.